America Stock Market Summary. April 21. President Trump's criticism of the Federal Reserve, aggressive trade policy stance, and the market's shift towards safe haven assets sent U.S. stocks on a roller coaster ride today. Let's break down what happened. All three major indexes fall. Dow drops 430 points. Wall Street closed in the red across the board. S&P 500 fell 1.2%. Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 430 points, or 1.1%. Nasdaq declined 1.5%, reflecting weakness in tech stocks. The market responded sharply to political remarks and uncertainty surrounding monetary policy. Trump attacks the Fed, mentions firing Powell. At the heart of today's sell-off was President Donald Trump's harsh criticism of the Fed. He claimed the central bank was holding rates too high and went as far as to say he might fire Fed Chair Jerome Powell. This shook market confidence in the Fed's independence, causing investor sentiment to sour quickly. Trade tensions rise. China pushes back. Trump also escalated his economic isolation strategy targeting China. In response, China warned of retaliatory measures, intensifying global trade tensions. This raised short-term concerns over corporate earnings and longer-term risks around supply chain disruptions. Mixed reactions across key stocks. Netflix rose 2% after strong Q1 earnings. Tesla declined ahead of its earnings release. Discover, Financial, and Capital One both gained after their merger received approval. Despite the overall market slump, some stocks diverged depending on individual performance. Surge in safe haven demand. Gold hit an all-time high, surpassing $3,400 per ounce. Bitcoin jumped 2%, crossing $87,000. The dollar weakened while the euro and yen gained. Investors clearly rotated out of equities and into gold, crypto, and FX markets. Bonds react to policy uncertainty. Short-term Treasury yields dropped on rate cut expectations. Long-term yields rose amid growing concerns over U.S. economic outlook. Bond markets reflected adjustments in response to ongoing policy uncertainty. Key takeaways. Trump's comments undermined Fed confidence. Rising trade tensions. Global risks amplified. Tech correction. Flight to safe haven assets. The market is highly sensitive to political risks and policy ambiguity. Investors are advised to stay defensive and data-driven in the days ahead. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.